Hello future millionaire and welcome to our video. The concept of personal finance is your greatest ally to reach your financial goals and prosper. It encompasses all the practices you need to adopt to control your budget, save money, use credit wisely, invest, among other necessary actions for a balanced financial life. Leave your like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on amazing tips like this. In the following topics, we will understand what the concept of personal finance means and how you can use it to build a healthier relationship with your money. What is the concept of personal finance? Importance of personal finances. 7 tips for taking good care of personal finances. 3 mistakes to avoid when managing your personal finances. Listen carefully and take better care of your money with our tips. 7 tips for managing your personal finances. Now that you understand the concept of personal finance, we can move on to the tips that will help you on your financial management journey. Check out the most important ones. 1. Control your earnings and expenses. The first step to incorporate the concept of personal finance into your daily life is to have a method to control your earnings and expenses. This is the starting point for taking care of your money, as you need an accurate diagnosis of your financial transactions to create a budget. The tip is to use our monthly expense spreadsheet for personal financial control, which already comes with all the resources you need to record what comes in and out of your account every month. 2. Create your budget. Once you know exactly what your income and expenses are, you can now make a personal budget, which is basically an estimate of income and expenses that helps you plan financially. The goal is to distribute your monthly income so that you can cover your essential expenses, rent, bills, health plan, etc., have money for variable expenses, leisure, delivery, contingencies, etc., and still manage to save and invest a considerable percentage, between 5% and 20% of your monthly income. 3. Get out of debt. If you have overdue debts, they should be your priority in organizing personal finances. That's because indebtedness is synonymous with continuous damage with compound interest, and the situation can get worse and turn into a snowball easily. So, add up everything you owe and look for ways to negotiate with your creditors. If nothing works, a personal loan to pay off everything at once and reduce interest rates can be a way out. 4. Have an emergency reserve. Emergency reserve is an amount saved especially for unforeseen events that can save your financial life. It should be proportionate to the risks you are exposed to depending on your occupation and source of income. For example, a self-employed person has a more unstable profession and must keep enough money to cover his expenses for about 12 months, while a civil servant with tenure may have a reserve for 6 months. 5. Use credit wisely. Credit is an important instrument to take advantage of opportunities when you don't have the money in sight, but it can become a villain when misused. The biggest risk is to get into debt and end up entering the most expensive lines on the market, such as the famous revolving credit, which can charge interest of more than 300% per year. Therefore, it is important to know how to use your credit card and plan well before applying for a loan or taking out financing. 6. Think ahead and resist temptation. The biggest mistake of those who do not understand the concept of personal finance is to get carried away by immediate desires and impulse purchases. To have a balanced financial life, you need to learn to control consumerism and think about tomorrow. If you spend everything you have today, you will never be able to build equity and reach your goals. Start small, saving at least 5% of your income, and build up to saving 20% of what you earn for goals like buying a house, taking a trip, or retiring with peace of mind. Of course, these numbers are only suggestions. The important thing is to fit the percentage to your financial reality and always save, even if it's a little per month. 7. Start investing. Learning to invest is another essential lesson in personal finance, because when you invest your money, you can multiply your equity and make interest work in your favor. Start by investing your emergency reserve in a fixed income product like CDB Neon to get a return above savings, and study the financial market to find more profitable options. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Share this video with people who need this type of content. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips on how to get rich in 2023.